Alright, let's get straight into it. Ever wondered how hackers can spy on your phone without actually installing anything? Sounds wild, but it's true. And today, I'll break down the top 5 ways ethical hackers can access your messages, track your location, and monitor your device, all without touching your phone. Method 1. Phishing via fake login pages. Hackers send you a link that looks legit, maybe a fake Facebook or Google login. If you enter your info, they snatch your credentials, letting them read your messages and even track your activity. Never trust weird links, even if they look official. Second up, SIM swapping. Here's how it works. A hacker tricks your mobile provider into transferring your number to a new SIM. Suddenly, they receive all your texts and calls, and if you use two-factor authentication, they can even access your accounts. Scary, right? Always set up a PIN with your carrier to help prevent this. Number 3. Public Wi-Fi snooping. Ever connected to free Wi-Fi at a cafe or airport? Hackers can set up rogue hotspots or intercept data on unsecured networks. Anything you send, messages, passwords, locations, can be captured. Always use a VPN if you're on public Wi-Fi. Fourth, social engineering. Instead of targeting your phone's software, hackers target you. Maybe they call, pretending to be tech support, or send a convincing email. If you share personal info, they can reset your accounts or even track you. Remember, if something feels off, hang up or ignore the message. And finally, exploiting cloud backups. Loads of people back up messages and photos to the cloud. If a hacker gets access to your cloud account, maybe through a leaked password or weak security questions, they can read your chats or see your locations without ever touching your device. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. So, to sum it up, hackers don't always need to install spyware to get into your phone. They just need you to drop your guard, stay sharp, protect your accounts, and keep your software updated. For more details and professional help, check out the pinned comments and video description. If you found this useful, hit like, share it with your mates, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and support. Stay tuned for the next video.